the purpose of this demo is to show the new Flow APIs that we have documented in Corda 4.9. So in terms of the environment, we've got two nodes, party A and party B. And I've got a couple of simple flows it's just a hello world flow that will send a message to party B for signature. And I've got a simple client that is actually using the new APIs. So retrieve flow status and retry flows. So firstly, I just want to issue a normal flow and just let it go to completion. Okay, so that's issued a state, gone to party B, and then come back. So no problem there. And if we look at flow status, it shows no flows, which is what we'd expect. So let's start by killing party B, and then we'll retry that same flow again on party A. And obviously it's going to now get stuck waiting for a signature from party B. So if we look at the flow status now, so we can see now we've got some information. Okay, so this is the flow class. Flow status winnable. We've also got the suspension metadata, which the suspension reason, and also it's telling us the counterparty it's waiting for. So let's start party B again, and basically party B A is now basically retrying with a back off to reconnect to party B, and then until that happens, we'll see the flow status showing that it's basically stuck waiting for party B to come up. So it's just going to be a few moments until that happens. Yeah, so once that's complete, we should see no flows here. The other thing to note is you've got user supplied information here. Currently it's null, but that would be the client ID that you can set when initiating the flow. So, okay, so the flow's completed. So let's get the status again. And it shows no flows. Okay, which is what we expect. Okay, so next thing I want to show is just showing that we can retrieve status from a hospitalized flow. So I've just got another flow, which it's a simple flow, which when it starts, it will raise a hospitalized exception. And then when you retry the flow, it then goes to completion. So if we start that, okay, so now it's started, it's basically stuck there because it's raised a hospitalized exception. So if we check, okay, so you can see flow status hospitalized. And you've got some more information, the progress step, you got the flow class, flow ID, etc. So let's retry the flow. Okay, so now the flow's won to completion. So let's look at the flow status again, and we see no flows. Okay, so that's basically just a demonstration of the RPC operations which are executed from the client. So yeah, so all these are documented. Just a quick run through of the sorts of operations you've got. So you've got pause flow, pause all flows, pause all hospitalized flows. You can retry flow, retry pause flow, and retry pause and hospitalized flows. And you've got some quite powerful flow status operations. So you get flow counts, you get flow status, you get flows matching, and then you can pass in a query. So suspension, you've got suspension duration, flow state, flow class. So for example, you can say, give me all flows that have been suspended for, say, 2 minutes, for example. And then you've just got more flow retrieval operations. Okay, so that concludes a quick demonstration of some new flow RPC operations we've documented. Okay, thank you. Bye.